How to create a wet glass effect in Photoshop. First of all, we need a model portrait and wet frosted glass image. We can easily find it from Google. First, create a duplicate layer. Just OK. Convert a duplicate layer into smart object. Right click on the background copy and convert it to smart object. Then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. We can adjust as our image pixel size. Then click OK. Then go to glass image, drag it to this area. We can adjust the transform, edit, transform, scale. Control to your command T. We can adjust the transform. Then we can change blend mode, normal to hard light. Then go to channels. We can add a channel, alpha channel. Take the brush and make sure foreground color is white. Then brush randomly. Adjust to small size. Add some brush effect. Then go to filter, distort, wave effect. Change the settings like this. Click OK. Then select filter again, distort, ripple, and select medium size. Minusing the amount to -999. Click OK. Hold the Control or Command key and click on the alpha channel. Now it is a selection. We can select the background copy and make a vector mask and press Ctrl I to invert it. Then select the glass image and go to brightness and contrast. Adjust as you need. And create a color lookup. Select fall colors look and make it another layer. Color lookup. Select crisp window look. We can adjust the opacity. And select the background copy. Adjust the opacity for some natural style. Then select the glass image and adjust the opacity to below 70. Then create a new group. This is the before, this is after. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.